I'm going to show you today how to change gas gauge on a Yamaha Big Bear 400. This will work for any of the Yamahas and maybe others. I'm not sure what other brands have this style gas gauge, but they kind of look all similar. They're all the same. Part numbers are right here for the gauge. And the retaining ring, I found it on eBay for about $34, $35. So you get the new gauge. There's no, I think there's actually a new rubber on there. So there is a new seal, and then the retaining ring that holds it down. So I seen there was another guy that used like a screwdriver and pried it out, but I think the picks work the best. And the one that I found works the best is the actual 45-degree bent tip. And it's kind of got the edge of the tip bent at another 90. Kind of get underneath and lay the pick down, and then it just pops the retaining ring off. Pop the other side here. It comes right off. So then this, pry that out with the pick again. Get that float out of there. Tap it off. Throw it on the ground here. Probably just wipe this out a little bit. Some of the dirt and dust. Click off. Put the new gauge in. Orientate it straight ahead. And put on your new retainer. And that's it. I'll have another video coming out of, I'm going to put a speedometer on this four-wheeler. So I bought a new old stock dash that actually has this cutout, and then the reverse and the neutral lights are in the speedometer that I ordered, still coming. And then it'll mount the gears that attach to the transmission, mount right in there, but you have to pull this cover off to mount the other gear inside there. So I'll have another video about that coming out shortly. Picked up this four-wheeler for about $2,200. So it was completely gone through. New piston, new sleeve, new tires. Fairly good condition. They had some seals redone on the rear. It's a fairly clean machine. Just a couple little things I gotta take care of that they missed, and be a good machine for another 20 years. So thanks for watching.